Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix the item Grammarly for Safari can't be moved to the trash in macOS. Open Safari browser. Click Safari, Preferences. Uncheck Grammarly for Safari under Extension. Now try to move trash. Grammarly for Safari successfully moved to trash. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.